And I'm Russ.
And we're with Michaela.
Join us in the adventure to save Africa's wildlife. Wish there was a puddle of water to splash you.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry, that's me. Paved highway,
That's true.
main thoroughfare to the border.
We thought it couldn't get any worse. It's a speed bump. I think this is supposed to be a road crew. Is it a mine up here? Is that what it is? Nice triangle. The lines for the border begin? I don't know. This might be the last little town before the border post. It's kind of just caught up to us, isn't it? Really fast. Here we are, Rwanda.
Aankoms by bestemming aan de rechterkant.
So you want to keep going straight, I think.
This one.
I would say so.
That straight could be either one.
That's very true. So maybe what happened to the exiting from Tanzania? Because
Here's the border post.
okay,
Supposedly.
oh okay. Let's hope this is still the Tanzania side so that we can get our stuff stamped home.
Said something about one stop.
One side's Tanzania and the other side's Rwanda.
Gotta remember to stay right now.
Oh, it looked like it. Yeah, I guess we'll have to find out. So it looks like we probably go in here. We're almost done. Took us an hour and a half, but we're almost done.
But Margaret made it go faster.
Oh. We finally made it through with checked and everything, and he wanted to know what was on top of our roof, and he just wasn't quite sure that he was going to believe us that it was a tent. But fortunately didn't make us open it up. But the odd thing is here, this is French, former French. So we are driving on the right side of the road with a right hand.
It's really weird.
Yes, I'm going to have to watch him very closely.
I have to watch him very closely too.
Okay, we are in Rwanda, driving on the other side of the road. I think Uganda should be the other way again, but this is Rwanda. Former French.
Oh, when we come across our first vehicles.
Yeah, oh, okay, dude. The motorcycle taxis.
Everywhere.
Yep, we saw 2 of them down today.
Down, meeting. On the ground,
In
crashed.
Edwards, right, crashed. They take a lot of chances. They have these countdowns here on the robots. Seems to be a pretty good idea. I think it keeps people from getting too nervous. Come along, join us. Join the adventure. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Michaela Wildlife.